Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking Python 3, 6 or newer and opening your file. This ensures ordered dict behavior. First actionable step, choose whether to keep original character order or to return sorted unique chars. If you want order preserved, use dict, from keys or an ordered set pattern. If sorting is fine, call set, then sorted. Once decided, type a minimal function signature like def unique chars, s, and proceed to implement the chosen technique. Now implement the core logic. For order preservation, use result equals, join dict, from keys s. This creates keys once, keeping first occurrences. Alternatively, write an explicit loop with a scene set. For ch and s, if ch not in scene, append and add to scene. This is clear and memory efficient. When order is irrelevant, build unique equals, join sorted, set s, which is concise and often faster. However, sorting changes finish by adding unit tests, empty input, long repeats, and Unicode characters to validate behavior. Make sure to document whether your function treats a and a as distinct. If not, normalize with s, lower, before processing. If the output order looks wrong, double-check you use dict, from keys or the scene set loop, and that you're on Python 3, 6+ where dict preserves insertion order. Finally, profile with large inputs and adjust to avoid excessive memory use if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.